Every year, there are hundreds of deaths and thousands of injuries caused by cooking fires.
Yes.
Time to go.
According to the Red Cross, there are more than 170,000 home fires each year caused by cooking, and the leading cause of all these fires is having a stove left unattended while cooking. According to the National Fire Protection Agency, in 2020, electric stoves were 2.6 times more likely to cause fires than gas stoves, and the injury rate is 5 times higher.
Let's rewind.
Using the TI Inspire CX2 and the TI Innovator Hub, we use a TI temperature sensor to ensure that the temperature is within a safe range, a pyroelectric infrared sensor to detect motion, and a pressure sensor to sense if there's a pot on the stove.
How many minutes will I be out for? 0.
Since the pot was placed on the stove, the pressure sensor's reading will go up, therefore telling the calculator that a pot was placed.
Wow, this is great. Yes.
The stove itself is connected to a 5-volt relay which is controlled by the Innovator Hub. We splice the relay into an extension cord and plug the stove into it, and when sent the correct signal, we'll turn the stove on or off.
Since the stove was left unattended, the Chef Shield alerts the user by using the hub's built-in speaker and a TI LED module.
Once the stove is automatically shut off, it will prompt the user asking if they would like to continue cooking.
Forgot to turn off the stove.
By eliminating this problem, we can help 44% of people who get hurt.